Yeah, this is the E-Flite 120 SR. I kind of like this one. The blades are perhaps a little overly large on the top. I'm not sure, but anyway, it gives us some pretty good solidity. Covers very well, and I enjoy doing some of the orientation. Get him to settle down here. When he's facing you, everything's a little different. He's a good one. He holds position quite well, so just don't get too crazy in the controls like I am. And he'll handle actually very well. It's almost just close to hands-free when it's trimmed out properly. So it's quite a nice airplane to fly, helicopter. I enjoy it a lot. You can even do the old nose push. So don't slam it into the wall, right? There we go. So anyway, overall, I like this one a lot. It's a good one to practice your movements before you get up to the fixed pitch. And that's the 120 SR. I like that. It's one of my favorites.